Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on any Android device. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So in my case, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy device, and if you're using any other Android device, just simply launch the camera application on your Android device that you own. Now, once you're on your camera app, simply tap on the gear icon that you see at the top left corner of your screen. Now, once you are here, under camera settings, you can see the option of scan QR codes, and the toggle for this option in my case is turned off. Now, simply turn on this toggle. And once you turn on this toggle and place any QR code in front of your Android device's camera, your Android device will instantly scan that QR code in front of your camera. Now, let me show you how you can simply scan the QR code that is placed in front of your camera. Now, let's go back and open the camera. Now, let me just simply place a QR code in front of my camera. Like this. Now you can see that the QR code has instantly been scanned. Now, let me open this QR code on my mobile device. Now you can see that the QR code has successfully been scanned in my Android device and the link to this QR code has opened. So follow these easy steps and you can easily scan any QR codes on your Android device. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.